One of the things I love about San Antonio is how we are very collegial with plastic surgery, ENT, anesthesia, general surgery. We all know each other, we all work together, which makes for a great environment, but also makes for great patient care. I'm originally from Costa Rica, and moving to San Antonio was very special for me. I think it's a great community. It's a big city with the feel of a small town. San Antonio has provided a new home for me. I love going out and visiting new restaurants, having some of that Southwest culture and food, and at the same time, not being burdened by traffic or other things that big metropolises have. San Antonio has also provided a great place to work, fantastic place to train residents, and a great environment overall for me and my family.
I come from a small town in Kentucky, and moving to the 7th largest city in the United States, I didn't know what that was going to be like, but it's turned out to be very fruitful for me. The food scene is just unbelievable. The atmosphere for culture and arts is really just that of a world-class city. The fact that we bring conventions and basketball tournaments and everything else in from all over the world as a really gathering place makes this a fantastic place to both live and raise children.
I would say my wife and I enjoy going out to eat, and so the food culture here is amazing. It's a little bit of new American as well as some of the old school Hispanic food, as well as some of the things that are brought down from Austin.
As a resident, San Antonio is a really affordable city to live in. It's very easy to commute from wherever you live to the hospital. There's a lot of apartments and homes that are right in the medical center. There's a lot of wonderful restaurants and activities for all of us as residents to do in our free time that we have. So my relationship with my other co-residents, it has been a highlight for me to make the friends that I have here coming from so far away. I had a really big friend group at home, and so moving here was challenging, and I felt immediately accepted by my co-residents, and I have truly made people that will be my lifelong friends here.
Being a resident at UT Health San Antonio it's great, first off. All of the residents come from different places, different walks of life. Some of us being married and having kids, some of us being single and living in apartments right next to the hospital, somewhere in between for all of us, whether they be dating, not dating. My relationship with the faculty here is a great one. I personally have spent time doing research outside of the normal duties that we have as an oral and maxillofacial surgery resident, and in doing so, I feel as though all of my faculty are my colleagues because I'm able to pull from them their experience, their abilities to teach me things that I didn't know before, and just their ability to provide input that there's no way that I've had experience doing so.
My interactions in the operating room with the residents is that of a colleague. I very much make sure that they're prepared for the surgeries, that they're going to get the most educational value out of the surgery, but that they're also learning to operate. One of my main goals is to make sure that every resident, when they complete this training program, are prepared to go on to do whatever it is that they want to do. If they want to do fellowship, I want to make sure they are the best prepared surgeon to go do fellowship that they can be. If they want to go into private practice, I want to make sure they leave here with all of the tools necessary to be a fantastic oral and maxillofacial surgeon.
Our OMS family I love it. It's great because as busy as we can get, we do take the time to all get together. We celebrate birthdays on a monthly. We have our Secret Santa in the holidays, which is very exciting. And then we have our holiday party where we do our white elephant. And it's so much fun to see everybody out of the clinic, see how everybody's personality really is, and we all come together and we make it work. And I love that.